That's it. That's all I need. I've done it before on a Benz.
No, didn't. You might double check. No, it's too small. On YouTube it says. No, nothing.
Got it.
You got it?
Yeah. Can you pull on this side? There we go. Got it.
Careful, yeah.
Cool.
So careful because there's a. Just the release, right? Here we go. Perfect. Perfect.
See. Get it out first. Okay.
That's weird. Do you need extension or something?
No.
Or you good? Really? That is so weird. There's another screw there.
Yeah, that holds the buttons.
Oh, okay. That holds the whole thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Deal with it should be, you know.
Yep.
The computer should realize, you know, what you're doing. Focus for, you know, for that area. Perfect. I mean, you know, you're smart. You know, you figure this.
Mm-hmm.
So you're smart. Now you got them, right?
Yeah, see.
So we just need something. You need a bigger screw.
Here we go. See, you can't take them off without removing the steering wheel.
Okay. Oh, so it was okay.
So I was supposed.
So
I don't need to remove the steering wheel, but like it would be easier if I do. So
because there's no way you could do it.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah. No, there is. I would just have to keep turning the steering wheel and this and that.
I see. It would be.
Like that's too much fucking work.
So it's probably easier this way, right?
Yeah.
Than
Just this back, so I can have something.
And this is a little bigger. No?
I could try 1 second.
No problem. Another screw or what? I can hold it for you if you want. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Yep. And then just the other side. Yep. Perfect. I got even bigger one. Do you want a bigger one?
No.
Because this is like everything is so tight. Oh, Rami, you're the Superman. Oh, that stupid plastic holes there.
Where is it? Where's the vibrator?
Right
Oh, I don't need to remove the whole thing completely. Maybe I do.
This thing right here, the little.
Yeah, the cushion's part of the car. I'll just take it off from the car and I'll put it on this one.
But the auto motor has the cushion there.
The what motor? The BMW one?
The auto one, yeah. But it's exactly the same.
Okay, I'll just take the cushion. I'll put it on.
But look at the number. The number is the same. 3979D.
Yeah, it's the same one.
But that thing has the more. Why there's so many?
The vibration is part of the car. I'm sorry, the insulation is part of the car. Oh, that's the vibrator. It hits something. Oh, never mind. Yeah, the insulation is.
So,
whoa.
So let me ask you
what
this.
does it connect to?
Let me know if I can hold it for you. Something there. You got him. Oh man, you're awesome. You're recording, right?
Yeah.
So in case if you need to look at something.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Same freaking shit. Cool. What else? It's the way BMW makes their stupid plastic. It's definitely not impressive here.
So what do you...
Is that a heater? Oh.
Probably, yeah.
Let me go.
So...
2 vibrators out.
And he's got a new camera. I really like the GoPro.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay. This is very, like, it's not very fast drying, but it's fast drying enough.
Can I hold? Screws are in the door.
Yeah. It's these screws, actually.
I took them.
No, it's these.
And why do we have 2 more? Okay, sorry.
The other ones.
There are 2 more. I think that's for paddles, right?
No. The paddles are the ones that you have.
Oh.
See that right there?
Yeah.
That was the other one. Oh, that's the paddle shifter. This is the paddle shifter right here.
You know, I'm probably gonna... Well, we'll test it out if it's this small, I guess. But it's a...
What the hell is this? Oh, it's right there. I found it.
I can take a look at the
It's right here. Okay, why the fuck is it doing that? Oh, that's one.
So what now? Paddles maybe?
Yeah, it's because the paddle shifters keep stretching the freaking wire. The wire's supposed to... cool. Drop the fucking...
This is how it was, I think. Look.
Yeah, it's stuck over there, I know.
You need a Phillips screwdriver, maybe?
No, it's okay.
You did? Okay, no problem. So then why do I have these 2 more screws? I'm really confused right now.
Okay, just keep it like this. Say that again?
We got 2 more, right?
2 more. I'll show you more. I'll show you what they are.
but that was from that side?
Yes.
I wonder what these QR codes are for, if that tells you.
Probably a part
Just
number.
the part number, okay. Vibrator was not the case. Do you have any idea?
Probably the sensors that it's given you. Yeah.
Some of the sensor, right? You think it's going to be
Actually, no, never mind. These springs are for something else. Your horn is operated by the
lights on.
the airbag. The airbag that I just took off. Sorry.
Make sure. No, don't worry about it. I'll just make sure the wire is not.
I was like, what? Did I forget something?
No, don't worry about it. Yeah, make sure it's really tight.
This clips in by itself.
Should I put a cover back?
Yeah. I'll cover? Yeah. Put the cover back. Okay, there you have it, guys. That's how you replace the steering wheel vibrator on the 2020 BMW X5. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. See you later.